Hi everybody, how are you? My name is Jocelyn and I welcome you to Boutique Poudre de Fée. Today I will be crafting for you a very sweet creation and I will be using the color Bright Mango. So this color is available in my website and you can look it up as Bright Mango, okay? So let me show you a little bit of what I'm going to be doing. So first of all, let's take out our clay. Okay, I want to take a nice chunk. Okay, let's seal our bags so they don't dry up, and let's condition it. Okay, so it means like warming it up, popping bubbles of air or something like that, and just have it a uniform consistency all through our clay. So this is going to be a very easy tutorial. It's just for fun, okay? And beginners friendly as well. So let's condition our clay. I do not enjoy having long nails, so that's why I haven't cutted my nails. But because I want to go do my nails to go on vacation. Ay. But I usually do not have long nails. So right now I feel like it's going in the in the clay. So let's see what we can do with this. It's gonna be very easy. I mean, you'll see. So I just want to round it up, you know. Who can guess what I'm doing? Let's round it up, round, you know. And it doesn't have to be a perfect round. However, it's pretty much round what I am doing. But so cute. So I like fruits. So I'm going to do a very simple orange. Very simple orange. You could use a foam ball as a base, okay? However, I really like it like this. And obviously, if you let it dry like this, it's gonna have a flat surface here. It doesn't really matter, okay? Because you don't want it to roll, right? So now let me choose some eyes for my character. If I were to let it dry, I would draw my own eyes with my Posca markers. Okay, but since I'm doing it all here right now, let me choose some cute eyes for my orange, my little orange. And let me see. What eyes am I going to choose? These are too small. No. Let's choose good size. Sometimes we have, even googly eyes could be cute, but I don't want googly eyes. It looks too cheap. It looks too cheap. Let me see. I don't want these. So I might use this. Let me see. That's a good thing. You know, you have something envisioned in your mind once you see it, and then you do your own magic and it turns out to be different. Okay, actually what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be giving it some texture with this brush, nail brushing or washing brush. And since the clay will puffen up as it dries, do your texture a little bit harder, okay? So not all the way in, obviously, but as it dries, it loses a little bit of the texture. So do it with a fair amount of pressure, okay? So your orange has a little bit of texture, so add some all around. Okay, like this, even here. And try not to press on it too much so it doesn't lose the shape. Okay, like this, all over. I'm happy to be able to record this for you guys. I'm gonna do a couple of videos today and put it, as we say in French, au fur et à mesure. Means like slowly, not all at once. Au fur et à mesure. Tell me in the comments who speaks French. I'm curious, because I'm pretty sure there's some of you who speak French or are from French descendants. I don't know. You let me know. So you can see there's a texture. I don't know if you can see well. Okay. So there's the texture. And I'm using these eyes. Okay. So I don't know how it's going to look. So I'm going to do it on this side. And since the clay is wet and this one has some adhesive, it doesn't matter if I'm using my tools, my eye tools. And I will press on it to give it some depth. That's how we say it. Yeah, I think so. Okay. So it will adhere very well because it has some glue and because the clay is fresh, is wet. What a beautiful orange you are. So cute. It's cute. Already looking so cute. Look at this. You see? I don't know if you can see well. I hope so that it captures, you know? These beautiful eyes, you can get them from Amazon. I'm pretty sure Etsy has a lot of choices as well. I don't know where else. I don't know who else sells these kind of eyes, but I bought them from Amazon. So I'm pretty sure you can get a very good variety from Amazon, okay? Now, let me see. We want to give him a nice smile. So I'm going to smile tool here. I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use the flatter one, okay? And the way that you do this is you just, let me see, choose the place. You choose where you want to put it and insert, okay? So I want to have him have like this. A little bit on the side, you see? How cute. So this set of brushes of tools are also available in my website, yeah. And at the moment, I am selling them for $8 US, okay? And you also have to pay the shipping though. So they are available in my website as well. These are super, super, super fun. And let us have a little tiny nose for him. Little one. Okay? Yeah, a little tiny one. So I round it. You can round it like this. And I wanted to have it not round, but more like a cylinder. I don't know. Pardon my English. And I will just stick it because the clay is fresh, like I mentioned before. And it's gonna adhere very, very well. You see? Look at our beautiful orange. Love it. Okay. Now, what else do you need? Talk to me. What else do you need? I do want to do lashes, but this one is too No, not the gold. Let me see. It bothers me that he's not dry. It does bother me because I do want to have him have eyebrows and some lashes. And for the lashes, I would use the Posca pen that it has very fine tip. So I don't know if you can see, but that one that has a very fine tip, I would use that to do the lashes. However, since he's not dry, it's not going to do it too well. So this I am going to wait, okay? But I'm going to try to do the eyebrows. Let me see. Okay. And let me turn him around. Yeah, something like this. Very simple. But it already gives him character, you know? Okay. Do you see well? I don't know if you can see well. Okay. We'll leave it like this. Okay. It's going to be a very short tutorial. So now this is done. And I would be using my... let me see with this one. This color is the Distress ink from Tim Holtz. The brand is Ranger. And this color is Spiced Marmalade. So it's orange one. Okay, I don't know if you see it well. This one is the mini ones. You can buy only the minis. And that would be good. Let me use a brand new brush for the orange color. Because I have brushes for different colors. These brushes, this exact one I don't have, but I do sell these ones on my website as well. Okay, so these are perfect to do blush with your inks or even your makeup palette. Okay, so let me try to do with this ink to see if it's gonna do a difference on the orange, because I do want to have him to have some cheeks. Oh yes, adorable, adorable. You'll see. I'm gonna show you. Okay, adorable. You are cute. Let me see. How can I? The shading can't be done very well as if it was dry though. That's the only thing, okay? So keep in mind that if you want to do it correctly, wait until it's dry. But very cute. You see? Look at this adorable orange. Already coming to life. He's going to join the little lemons. How are you? You're adorable. Okay, that's there. So I do have now my orange here. I will put it here so it doesn't mess up the other ones. What else do we need? We do need eyelashes or not. For now, I'm going to leave you like that because I think you're so adorable. Okay, so this is it for today. This is our little orange. I might do eyelashes later. I don't know. I don't think so. But if you want to do eyelashes, let it dry first and then you do it, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up, do a follow, do a share, and enjoy crafting, okay? Take care. God bless you. Bye-bye.